for flotation. Take this life jacket from the pouch and slip it over your head. Place the strap around your waist and secure it into the buckle. The strap can be adjusted as required. Pull the red tabs to inflate the life jacket. In order to inflate it further, you can blow into these red tubes. Please note that if you leave through the main exit door, then the life jacket should be inflated just before leaving the aircraft. However, if you're going to evacuate through one of the overwing exits, then the life jacket should be inflated after leaving the aircraft. Tampering with the life jacket or removal of it from the aircraft without the authorization by a cabin crew member is strictly prohibited and is a punishable offence. और अब हम आपके लिए इंडिगो की रिटेल थेरेपी मैगजीन हेलो सेक्सी पेश करते हैं, जिसमें ऑनबोर्ड सेल्स शुरू करेंगे। आपसे निवेदन है कि इस दौरान जो प्रोडक्ट्स आप खरीदना चाहें उन्हें पसंद कर लें। हम आपको बताना चाहेंगे कि हमारे दृष्टिबाधित यात्रियों की सुविधा के लिए अब एक सुरक्षा अनुदेश पत्र और एक इन्फॉर्मेशन गाइड ब्रेल में उपलब्ध है। अगर आपको किसी भी प्रकार की सहायता की आवश्यकता हो तो आप कृपया हमारे विमान कर्मी दल से संपर्क करें। ध्यान देने के लिए धन्यवाद। May we also take this opportunity to introduce Hello 6E, our retail therapy magazine placed in the seat pocket in front of you. It brings to you a range of attractive merchandise at very compelling prices. In Hello 6E, in the menu option, you could also look up our tempting array of snacks and beverages for sale on today's flight. For the convenience of our visually impaired passengers, we also have a safety instruction card and an information guide available in Braille. If you need any assistance, please contact any one of our cabin attendants. We will start our onboard sale soon after takeoff. To make the most of this time, please select the products you wish to buy. Thank you and have a wonderful flight.
ध्यान दीजिए, अब कैबिन की बत्तियां धीमी कर दी जाएंगी। यदि आप पढ़ना चाहें तो पर पैनल वाली बत्ती का प्रयोग करें। धन्यवाद। May I have attention please? The main cabin lights will be dimmed shortly. Kindly turn on the reading light located in the panel above if you wish to read. Thank you.